previously on Spidey and His Amazing Friends challenges.
I'm giving you 11 challenges to complete. Each challenge completed correctly will earn your team a clue.
If we earn all 11 clues, we will have everything we need to be an amazing team. The friends have already completed their first 2 challenges, earning themselves the letter W and the letter B.
I just got a text from Iron Man. Let's go!
Join us today to see if our heroes can complete Iron Man's next challenge.
Spidey Team, thanks for meeting me here. Today for Challenge 3, we are going to test your science skills. You will see in front of you a container of water with ice cubes, string, and salt. Your job is to use your science knowledge to pull 2 ice cubes off of the plate using the string.
Do we touch the ice cubes?
Great question. You cannot touch the cubes with your hands.
Can we use our webs?
Good thinking, but no. You will have to solve this problem with only your science smarts and these supplies.
This sounds challenging, but we love a good challenge.
We can figure this out.
Good luck.
Okay, let's go over what we have and what we know. We have a container with water and ice. We have a string and we have some salt. We know we need to get 2 ice cubes off of the plate using the string. What should we try first?
Do you think we can toss the string around the ice cube and try to pull it off of the container? That's a good idea. Let's try it. Let's try again.
It doesn't seem to be working. Can anyone think of anything else to try?
Iron Man gave us salt. That has to play a role in solving our challenge. I know that. We'll freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You're right. And when you add salt to water, the water has to get colder to freeze.
That's right. What if we dip the string in water and set it on the ice cube? Then, when we sprinkle salt where the string is, the salt will make the water melt on top of the ice cube a little.
The melted water will dilute the salt, so the salt won't be as strong. So the water can refreeze.
Let's give it a try.
First, let's wet the string. Next, let's put the string on the ice cubes.
Now, let's sprinkle the salt on top of the string. Okay, let's pull.
We almost had it. What did we do wrong?
We made sure the string was wet. We put it on the ice cubes. We sprinkled the salt on top of the string, and it definitely started to melt the water on top of the ice. But when we pulled the string, the ice didn't stick.
Maybe we didn't give the water enough time to refreeze. I think you're all right.
Let's try it again and count to 10 before we pull the string. Okay, Spidey, you wet the string. Miles, you put the string over the ice cubes. I'll sprinkle the salt. This time we're going to try to give the ice enough time to refreeze. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull!
We did it!
Great job, everyone. I'm impressed that you didn't give up until you solved the problem. Your science skills, teamwork, and determination have earned you the letter U. I will be in touch soon with challenge number 4.
Thank you. Now we have the letters W, B, and U.
Thanks, Iron Man. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching It's Toy Time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more of Iron Man and Spidey and His Amazing Friends team challenges, look for the links in the description below. Now get out there and play.